Hi everyone! In this series of videos, I'm going to look at YouTube. We have probably all visited the site to watch a show or music video, but there is so much more you can do with YouTube. Today, I'm just going to give you an overview. I'll follow up with separate videos for many of the features. Let's get started. This is the home page. Because this is a Google product, you will see some things you are already familiar with. The top right corner has your profile and notifications, and you can jump right into uploading. In your profile is the gear icon to take you to your YouTube settings. Most of these are standard Google settings. Be sure to check that the privacy and playback settings are how you want them. The profile icon is also where you can access the Creator Studio. More on that later. The menu tab has a number of options. My channel is your opportunity to define your brand and set yourself apart from the crowd. Trending is where to look for the hottest videos on YouTube. When you find a channel you like, you can subscribe to it. This will put all of their videos at your fingertips. History is an account of what you have recently viewed, not only on YouTube, but any videos on the web that are hosted on YouTube, except for Facebook. Facebook is special. We all knew that, right? Watch Later is where you will find all those videos you thought would be interesting but didn't have time to watch when you first discovered them. Library is created when you first like a video. You can create your own playlists and set the visibility. This is handy if you have a number of related videos you want to keep together, or if you share your account with members of your household, you can each have a separate playlist. You can view and sort your subscriptions at a glance. If you're looking for something new, check out Browse Channels. There are a number of filters, including music, sports, and movies. Manage Subscriptions allows you to request notifications or unsubscribe. You can also export your subscriptions into an RSS reader. We have now got an overview of getting around in YouTube. I'll go into many of the features in more detail in future videos. Thanks for watching.